Every summer, I seem to have a tradition, going to Dollorama and find some new e-waste peripheral. I should probably stop doing that, but when I went the last time and find this, those are wireless earbuds for $5 Canadian with a LCD display with LED. I was like, I need to try it. Also, like I said, it's charging with the LED display. So how bad can they be for $5? So let's unbox them and look at them. First thing first, you open them like this and they are on the side. Okay, now they're fully set. They're not the most comfortable to set up and put in. But after they put, they're relatively flat. One test that I like to do is the winter hat test. So if I put a winter hat on, do I feel pressure because they're going out of my ears? And I feel the pressure here. It's not really comfortable. It's tolerable for a short period of time, but I wouldn't keep them for hours. Okay, so let's do a quick unboxing. You can see on the box that you have a LED display. You also have RGB. They say Bluetooth 5.4 and up to 20 hours of battery life with multiple charge. You have 3 different sizes for ear tips and it uses USB-C for charging. It said professionally tuned sound on the box. I'm really skeptical about that, but we'll see how they sound like. They also said quality call with noise reduction. So we need to test the microphone. When you open it, you see the charger and the 2 earbuds, which are not in the charger. And you can see here that you have a short USB-C to USB-A charger and a tiny bag with 3 different sizes of ear tip. You see them here out of the case. It's interesting because I was trying to find out how to open them, but you just pull the earbuds from the side. Because of that, the case has a really small footprint and it's not really deep. So you just grab them by the side and get them out and you put them back the same way. What do I think of the Gemstone Pro? Well, I didn't have any expectation and they still didn't meet that. I mean, technically there's a lot to like. You only pay $5 plus tax for them. You get wireless headphone, you get RGB. They say up to 20 hours, but then like in other documentation, it say up to 16 hours. So I'm not sure which one it is, and I'm definitively not trying it. It said advanced microphone, and it used a USB-C plug. They really sound like you're underwater and all the sound is muffled. But does it matter? I'm really not sure, because when I'm playing Black Braid or Lorna Shore, after 30 seconds, yeah, the sound sucks, but I just forget about it and I'm like tapping my feet and just jamming on the music I love. So in some way, if you only have $5 to buy a pair of wireless headphones, well, that's probably the only choice you have. But yeah, compared to my $30 headphones that I brought with me in Las Vegas, the $30 one are way better. But if you really need a pair of headphones and of earbuds and you're in a bind, I mean, they would do the job. I mean, I would look if you can get a wired one, because I'm sure the sound quality would be better if you have like a 3.5mm headphone jack. But you know, no shame. If you only $5 for earbuds, they give you wireless earbuds plus like 16 hours of battery life, so and for charge. So that's a lot to like for that price. But yeah, I wouldn't expect greatness. And as for me, like normally I'll just put them in front of my building and someone will pick them up and maybe be happy with them and have a second life this way. See you to the next one.